Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 8 of my Christmas makeup chronicles. So when I was thinking of what to do, I was like, okay, winter wonderland, right? But you would think like pinks and blues, right? Because I'm thinking like light blues and like not all girls, but a lot of girls love pink. So you see like some people have pink Christmas trees. Like people still incorporate pink in their Christmas. So for me, this is like a winter wonderland, like ice princess. Like this video because I mean, how can you not? And don't forget to subscribe and join the team because you know I'm gonna be dropping these looks forever. Anyways, if you like what you see, then keep watching. We're gonna start priming the lids with the NYX white, and I'm just gonna focus really up here right now because I'm starting, you know, up here, and you're just wasting product when you do the whole lid, but you still gotta clean it off anyway. Right. So next, if you see me smacking, it's just this bomb ass soup that I made. It's bomb. So I'm using the Jawbreaker palette and I'm going into Good Morning. And I'm just gonna put this all over everywhere. Okay, next we're going next to it into bubble gum. And next, I have this other pink in this other palette that was like perfect, so I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna go back in with the lighter pink and go over the top of that just to bring it down. I'm gonna go into Cherry Wet. Go ahead and take this corner off right here, right now. Okay, that's good as it's gonna get for now. Now we go back and we clean it up. Okay. And I'm gonna take this white eyeshadow primer base and basically use it like eyeliner. Draw a line for my eyeliner. Now we're gonna go, I'm gonna use my, and go in with, now on this side, I went in with Baby Blue first, so let me do that. Baby Blue, I'm cold, and I just, and then I'm going in with Entitled and putting that over that. And that is that. I'm gonna go in with my glitter primer, lay that down to put the glitter in the center. Try to get all the glitter off my face. Woo! Oh, okay, put a little bit more blue up here. Tie all of that in. Yeah. Okay. Go back in with this light blue we used. And just kind of fade. Yeah, that's what I said, buddy. You listened well. Okay, now we're gonna go in the waterline. I'm gonna do my foundation and concealer off camera, then I'll be back. All right, I'm back. We're just gonna let that bake a little bit, and what's next? We can do the lip Nope. Let's dust away all the other powders. Ooh, woo, that's pretty. So you know we gotta do the blush. I'm gonna do blush and highlight. That's just a little bit of pink. I don't think you can really see it. Let me use mine. This is another one of my good blush brushes. You can see it a little bit now. It was really faint a second ago. Okie dokie. I think I'm gonna top it with some of that Diamond Wet because she is popping. So I finished all the face. Now we're gonna do the lips. So I think I'm going to use my Jeffree Star lip gloss, Candy Drip. Finish. Now this is beautiful. I love this look. Oh, we gotta do eyelashes. Oh my gosh. How do I forget eyelashes every single time? This is the final look, guys, and I love it, love, love. What do you think? What do you think? Ooh, boy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.